Oh, my bad.
You're bold, loud, articulate and cute, kinda quintessential, unique and elegant too. Everything that I need, baby, you are a queen.
Hey y'all, so I'm gonna get straight to this video. I am starting off with stretch clean hair. This video is kind of old. I'll say about 3-4 weeks old. I'm sorry for putting it out late, but here we go. So anyways, I am just combing my hair and I'm just going to put the twists in my hair. So when I put the twists in my hair, I actually start with the root being tight, and then as I get more down the strands or down the twist, I'm going to go looser, and then towards the end I am going to go tight again. With doing it that way, it actually gives my hair more volume. That's why I do it that way, and I love this style, y'all. I actually did it before. I am going to put a link at the top so you guys can see that tutorial as well, but this is more of an updated one. So anyways, as you see, everything is going to be repetitive and very simple. All you're doing is starting off tight, going loose, and then going tight again. So remember that pattern. For this look, I didn't add any cream or moisturizer, only because when I washed and conditioned it, I actually put a leave-in and also oil in, so that technically locked any moisture that I had in my hair. If I were to put any moisturizer in my hair, it could have reverted some of my curls back, and also my twist could have been more shrunken or more shorter, so I just decided to not put anything in my hair. So here you see me again. I am twisting it at the roots very tight, and then I go loose, and then I'm gonna go tight again. So now that my twists are all done, this is the back of it, and I'm just going to turn around so you can see the side. So anyways, I'm going to be adding some hair jewelry in my hair, and this is the overall finished look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment as well. Love y'all.